Hi, welcome to today's tutorial on the compensation strategy used for addition. In order to understand the compensation strategy, you first of all have to understand what a round number is. A round number is any number that ends in a zero. For example, 30, 80, 450, 10, or 50. Any number that ends in a zero is considered a round number. You can remember this term because a zero is usually the shape of a round circle. The compensation strategy is only used when one of the numbers in your problem is very close to a round number. In this case, the 19 is very close to the round number 20. So what we do is we change the 19 to a 20. So we would go 55 plus 20. Why would we do this? Because it is much easier to add 20 onto 55 than it is to add 19 onto 55. We can do it in our heads. 55 plus 20 is 75. Now we can't just change that and leave it as it is. Because we've added 1 onto the 19, that's a plus 1, onto the 19 in order to make it 20, we now need to take that 1 away. 75 minus 1 equals 74. And that's our answer. Of course, as per usual, we always have to put the answer up next to the equal sign. In this case, the 19 was one number below 20, so we had to add 1 on in order to make it 20. Sometimes the number which is close to a round number is higher than the round number. So we're going to minus the 1 here. 120 plus 60 equals. In this case, we have minus 1 to get from 61 to 60. Can you guess what we're going to have to do where we finish this equation? 120 plus 60, we can do it in our heads, is 180. And you got it because we took it away up here. We now need to add it. 180 plus 1 equals 181. Of course, we always put the answer up next to the equal sign. If you're a bit confused, now would be a good time for you to stop and replay this tutorial. If you think you've got it, here are some practice questions for you to try out. Please pause this tutorial now because the next slide is going to show the answer. Now would be a good time to pause. Good luck! And here are the answers. I hope you got them all correct. If you didn't, go back and have a look where you made your errors. If you think you haven't understood, you can always press replay on this tutorial. Thanks for listening.